Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Materialized view in Django. Let's get started. First, let's run this project and see what we have. We have a pose app, and when we invoke this page, it should print hello in console. The respective function is called index in pose app in views.py. And in this tutorial, I'm going to use pgadmin4 as the PostgreSQL client. The database I'm going to use in this tutorial is called testdb. Let's take a quick look at the settings.py. The database engine is PostgreSQL, and it's running on my local machine, and this is the default port number. Database name is testdb, and the user and password. So let's create a physical table by migrating a Django model. So in models.py, let's create a model. Model name is question. First field is let's call it question text. It's a char field. Let's make it maximum length 200. Next field is publish date. It's a date field. Now equals to true. Default is none. Okay, now we have the model ready. Let's run migration. Let's open up terminal and type in the command. I miss S. Okay. So this should generate a migration file in the migrations folder. And next we are going to run the migrate to actually create a physical table in our database. Okay, so let's go to testdb. Public, refresh it, tables. Now we see there is a table created called pose question. This is the table we just migrated from Django. Now we need data. So I have a script that can insert 1,000 rows into the table. I'm just going to copy and paste that into the console. So if you are interested, you can check out my Git repository, and in the repository there is a tutorial. You should be able to find out the script. Type command line manage.py shell to go to Django terminal. In this terminal, copy and paste script. Okay, now we should have 1,000 rows in question table. Let's check out. Okay. And now we are going to create a lookup query against this origin table, and we are going to print the result in the console. And we are going to import function model. And we're going to write a SQL query. It's an ORM query. And print that table returns certain number of questions. This would return a total number of rows in this table. Questions.count. So we just run this project, and let's invoke the URL, refresh, and it shows that there are 1,000 questions in this table. And next, we are going to create a materialized view in database. And this materialized view will only contain data whose published date is in or after year 2021. So in pgadmin 4, let's create a materialized view through a SQL query. Let's create materialized view. Let's call it post question materialized view 2021 as select everything, every column in post question, and this materialized view only show the data whose published date is after January 1st, 2021. Okay, and let's invoke this SQL query. Okay, so let's check materialized view. It should be there. Okay. So in order to associate a materialized view with Django ORM model, we need to build a model to link to this materialized view. Let's go to models.py and create another model. Let's name it question 2021. It's easier to understand. Question text. All the fields should be identical to question model. here's the important piece. We need to define method. So first of all, tell Django, please do not manage this model. And DB table attribute will define the materialized field this model will be associated with. With all that set up, let's create another ORM query and return all the number of rows in the materialized field. So we are going to import question 2021 and let's call it question 2021, and we are going to make an ORM query against question 2021 object repo. Let's print. Let's run project and invoke this URL. Check out the result. So it works. Materialized view returns 234 questions, while the original table returns 1000 questions. That will be all for this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.